Page 4, play a fourth. Here and the following page, the next page, I can't talk. They're introducing the interval of a fourth. Now we've had a second, we've had a third, now that's a fourth. Like we're adding one. I'm just going to show you how to figure them out. We're going to do them one at a time, but I'm going to show you how it works. On the second, you're here. We're only using the white keys right now, when you're here. And then a third, it was here. I got a note in between. Well, a fourth is the next one up. It's here. That's an interval of a fourth. So let's just go over technically how this works. In a scale, we've done scales? Probably not. I would encourage you at this point to go to my scale video on the C major scale and do the beginner portion of it. Learn the C major scale. I explain it all in the video. You can do it there. So just do that. It really will help you understand what we're talking about here. But in C major, it's all the white keys on the piano. And it's usually going from C to C. Any C to C, it doesn't matter. But you're doing the white keys. Those are the only keys involved. Well, each key in the scale, each note in a scale, any scale, is numbered. We call them steps. Starts with 1. We don't start with 0 in music. You start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1 again. So there's 7. You go up to 7 and you start over. Those are step numbers. Well, an interval is the distance between any two notes. All I'm going to do is count up. So I'm going to go 1, 2. The note I'm on is always 1. Again, we don't start with 0. 1, 2. That's a second. For a third, I go count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a third. For a fourth, what they're doing here, you count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fourth. Do you see a pattern here? I can go fourth, a fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. It just goes on and on. Oh boy. And that's what they're getting at. But this is a fourth. But you learn to recognize the notes in the music, the interval, quickly, eventually. And you'll, on the keys, whatever key you're in, you'll recognize that interval there too. And why you need to know all this, again, we're putting off later. Just right now, just focus on this. Any fourth, fourth. They're all fourths, blah, blah, blah. First measure, that's a fourth. These are melodic fourths. They're one after another. If I play them at the same time, they're harmonic fourths. Very common, but yeah. And you have a third in the second measure. And that's neat, and that's the way it is. That's pretty much what they're introducing, but I would like to go over this. This is music we can try and play and make sure we can, it gives us more practicing at playing music. That's a little. Now notice the dynamics. It starts out MF, and since it's all melody, you don't have any harmony here at all, so that's all we're talking about is melody. First two measures is MF, it's sort of loud. You'll have to decide how loud that is for you. It depends on your setting in the piano and whatever. But then the third measure, it gets loud, and that's a little louder than sort of loud. It's not a lot louder, it's just a little louder. And the second line, you're back down to sort of loud. And loud. So yeah, put in the dynamics. They are important. You may not agree with them, you may not like them, but put them in. So let's try it. 4/4 time. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it together. So your hands, you're still in C position. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. duet together. I'm going to give us 4 counts. I'm going to play it together, but as usual, I need you to go up in octaves. So instead of here, just pretend middle C went up to here. Play it all up here. 1, 2, ready, go.